Hello mathematicians, two questions here under integration. The first one is the integral of 4x plus y with respect to x. The other one is the definite integral of x plus 1 everything to the power 3 with respect to x from 1 to 3. Alright, so how do we work out this problem that we have here? Alright, so for a, okay, the integral of 4x, alright, plus y and with respect to x. So, all right, let's come here. So, to evaluate this one, we are going to take two things. We are going let's first distribute the integral. So we have integral of 4x with respect to x plus the integral of y with respect to x. Now, if we have to integrate y with respect to x, we are going to treat y as a constant. Now, if you treat y as a constant, remember that the integral of any constant, let's say with respect to x, okay? All right, so we just get cx like that. Same thing is what's going to happen here. So here we end up having 2x squared, right? And plus, this will be xy plus c, just like that, and we're done. Then let's come to our b here. With b, it's a definite integral, all right? It's a definite integral. So what we are going to do is this. So remember that the power is an odd and is above 2, so we're going to use u substitution, all right? So we are going to say let u be equal to x plus 1. Then we are going to find the derivative of this function with respect to u and x, which will just be 1 dx. In this case, du is just equal to dx. All right. Now, here's what you need to know. While there's dx, we need to start to make substitutions. This means that we are having another thing. These limits will not remain the same. All right. Since u is equal to x plus c, is equal to what? Is equal to x plus 1, right? Now, we need to convert the limit. We have limit. The first limit is x equal to 1, and the second limit is equal to x equal to 3. Okay? So why are we not maintaining the same limits? Well, because of this guy here. So these limits should also change. So u is equal to x plus 1. This means u becomes 1 plus 1, which should be what? 2. And here, u becomes 1 plus 3, should be equal to 4. So these are our two limits. So even as we are going to evaluate the integral now, we'll be integrating from 2 to 4. All right, but here we're going to put u, because that is what u is, into the power 3. Then dx is just equal to du, so we put du like that. Then we are good to go. Once we do that, we can now, evaluate this one, which will just be u to the power 4 over 4. Okay, from what? T to 4. And here we'll just end up having this over 4 minus 2 to the power 4 over 4, which I presume will give us what? 60. Done and dusted. You're welcome.